Well, after 6 months of not being able to travel anywhere out of the UK, we have been allowed to go to a few countries. So we're going to country number 18, Greece.
So we originally booked a trip to Greece way back in January with the intention of going in May. But then coronavirus hit everywhere and that got canceled.
We're going for 11 days. Could not be more excited. We're going to Corfu, Athens, Santorini, and Zakynthos. Every single island and city has something unique that we can't wait to do and explore. We just can't wait to be on vacation for a little bit, get away from the city, and start traveling again.
So we are very aware that the COVID pandemic is still a very real thing, and we are taking all precautions that we can. We are wearing our masks pretty much everywhere, public transport, to restaurants, stores, everywhere where there's mass gatherings and we're inside something. And we have several bottles of hand sanitizer that we will be using throughout our journeys.
Luckily, going to Greece will be mostly outside and all the things that we're doing are outdoors. So fingers crossed that we are not in mass gatherings, and we'll just see how it goes. We're gonna do our best. We're gonna follow all the rules that we can, and yeah, we're super excited. Well, we are at the lounge now in the Gatwick airport, and we'll save you the trouble of watching us film the exact same flight. We're taking EasyJet, but we are headed to Corfu. That is our first island, and we will land at 11, so nothing really to see, so we'll pick you back up in the morning. Good morning from Corfu. Well, everyone here apparently wakes up at 8:30 a.m. because the church bells went off for 5 minutes straight. So we are wide awake after only getting 4 hours of sleep. Today, the plan is just to explore the town. We will rent a car tomorrow and explore the island a little bit more, but for today, we're just gonna do a walking tour, maybe find some delicious food, and go to the beach. But first things first, I wanna give you a tour of this Airbnb. Won't take too long, it's pretty small. But let's start in the bedroom. Bed with about 2 inches mattress. But the highlight is that we have the AC system, which we never get in London, and we're always sweating with fans. So this was an added bonus. Also, the sun shines in at 6 a.m. to a little terrace down the alley that our Airbnb is in. We haven't checked out the terrace yet, but it has a little table and chairs so we can enjoy our morning coffee one morning. Okay, next stop is the kitchen. That's it. We're not gonna use it except for we put our water bottles in the fridge, and Taylor decided to do some redecorating with this table. It used to be over here. And then the last room of the Airbnb is the bathroom. You got all the essentials in here, but the best part is the shower. I will be rinsing Taylor off in the corner. I will make him be in the corner and I will just shoot at him, hopefully not getting all of the water everywhere where the drain is right there. Overall, there's not a ton going on with this Airbnb, but get better and better and better, but we are in the heart of the city in a little town of Corfu, and so we're close to everything, which is all we really needed, and we're super close to the airport, which was perfect for last night. It was a 10-minute taxi ride. Okay, we are ready to go, and the first thing on our list is a bakery. So we just got some breakfast at Starenio's bakery. They are famous for their meat pies. However, I got a spinach and feta cheese pie, and we took them to go, and we are headed to the ocean to see if there's an area we can take a little dip in. We are headed to this little area of town called the Faliraki, which I'm pretty sure is the only beach accessible area here in the town. I don't think it's a sandy beach. I think it's a pier that everyone jumps off of. But from a quick little look, I saw plenty of people swimming in the ocean. So let's see what we can get into.
So from the bakery, I got a chicken, spinach, and Parmesan meat pie. I already bit into it. It is delicious. It's creamy, it's warm, the pastry's flaky. Oh,
How much
more?
How much was it?
I have no idea.
$2.50. I think it was €2.50. No, €2.50.
Yep, $2.50.
And look at this view. The minute we are done eating this food, we are going back to the Airbnb, getting our swimsuits, and coming right back here and spending the day in this beautiful water. It is crystal clear. I can see to the bottom. And you just go in through the little steps, leave your stuff on the side, and just swim around in the sea. Like, no big deal. I just can't get over this view. Like, this is amazing. The water is crystal clear. You can just come here, take a dip wherever you feel like it, just float in the water like this man is doing over there. I cannot imagine just waking up and doing that every single morning. Like, it's no big deal. It is just beautiful here.
We decided to come check out the old fortress. We saw it from the pier that we were just at. It's pretty old, built in the mid-6th century, I believe. It was €6 to get in, go tour it, so we figured why not. We have no clue what's there though. For those of you that don't know, I've recently become highly obsessed with the idea of getting a sailboat and sailing around the world. Now, I have no sailing experience. I've been on one catamaran my entire life, but the point still stands that I love sailboats. I love the idea of just being able to get out on the ocean and just go wherever you want. And I could just sit and watch boats at a marina all day long. So that view alone was worth the €6 that it cost to get into this whole place.
Now let's figure out how to get to the very, very top. Well, I didn't realize that we would be hiking to the very top of this hill, but these views are amazing. That is the town of Corfu on that side, the mega yachts are on this side, and the airport is just about straight over there. And the water is still as crystal clear from here. I can literally see the bottom from all the way up here. I am drenched in sweat and ready to get in the water.
Well, we just finished up a wonderful little lunch at a place called Slovaki. We split pork kebabs with french fries and a piece of bread, and it was the perfect size for both of us to split. We weren't starving, but knew we needed to eat something. We got that, a Coke, and a huge bottle of water, all for 10 euro.
10 euro.
So prices are much cheaper than we originally expected. Now we're just gonna kind of cruise the streets, do some souvenir shopping, and maybe
grab some gelato, or he'll get some
a
juice,
smoothie,
and I'll get some gelato, I'm sure. There are two different people you can travel with. Someone like him, who gets smoothies when he's on vacation, or someone like me, gets gelato everywhere. We are the only ones around for miles. I don't know if it's because it's Sunday and things close early. I don't know what everyone's doing. We're not exactly close to the sea. We're kind of just walking around. We decided to head towards the new fortress and the Old Town Harbor, or Old Corfu Harbor. But we're just window shopping. We looked at some hats, some souvenirs. This is the most relaxing I have been on a vacation in a really long time.
we just stopped back by our Airbnb to clean up after the day in the sun. On the way back, we picked up some groceries for our full day tomorrow. And now we are headed to dinner.
Yep, last minute little reservation. I think they have risotto and pasta and probably some traditional Greek cuisine. So we'll see what we can find.